MTech is a provider of technology-empowered business solutions for world-class organizations. We have offices across the US, Canada, and India, with over 500 highly skilled associates. Our global delivery capabilities ensure the accessibility and scale to deliver a broad spectrum of technology solutions. MTech's goal is to continue to build clients for life, long-term enterprise relationships that deliver rapid, meaningful, and lasting business value.
I'm Pooja. I've been working with MTech for the past 2 years. It's been really wonderful working with MTech with all the challenging opportunities and the experience that I got here. I've met some really brilliant people here along with the tech-savvy clients that I deal with every day. It's really great to be part of a setup where you learn new things almost every day.
I'm a fresher at MTech. When I compare what my college mates are doing in other companies, I find my learning curve much more elevated. I realize it's a great feeling to see that even just after 3 months into the system, you can see your code actually being used by a client in production.
What we are looking for is a level of enthusiasm, interest, curiosity, and ability to put yourselves into the shoes of our clients and deliver value irrespective of technology. We look for confidence, the ability to ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions. That is something that we look for, and that is something that we encourage, and that's how we believe you learn.
People here are very supportive and collaborative in that respect. So they'll always take interest in you if you take interest in them, and they'll help you learn and excel in the career.
I work as a QA lead in MTech. I work with associates from different practices. I also work with senior managers and directors as well as our partners. They give you a lot of responsibility from the day one they trust you. That's very important for a person like me. I want to use my experience to help MTech succeed. There are no barriers for creativity and new ideas.
On top of all, we are right in the middle of city, and it helps me reduce my travel time.
When I joined this organization, my primary responsibility or role was to take care or look after the people around. It's a very caring environment that we have here at MTech, and we celebrate birthdays, we go out for movies, we also participate in social and charity activities. So it's like a one big family who are not only professionally associated but also have become best buddies. I'm really enjoying my time at MTech.
MTech has helped many realize the goal of changing an alternate career path. For an example, I was working in human resources. Now I'm an HCM consultant, leveraging my HR expertise.
My name is Nikat Parveen, and I'm working in Salesforce practice. I had job offers from other software companies, and I was about to commit to one of them. I had an opportunity to interview at MTech and decided why not just come in, see the location, meet the people, and see what they have to offer.
Throughout my interview experience, I could really feel myself leaning more and more towards MTech, and then thought, I think this is the perfect place for me to work.
What differentiates MTech is the fact that we are passionate about two things: client for life approach, that is building long-standing relationships with our clients based on trust and delivering business value, and second, our passion to ensure great experience for our associates at MTech. These two go hand in hand to me, and that's what makes MTech partner of choice for our clients as well as associates.